हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। मैं हूं अनुष्का एंड आई एम बैक विद अ न्यू वीडियो अगेन। सो आज की वीडियो थोड़ी सी हटके है क्योंकि रियल लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस है। सो मैं वेट नहीं करना चाहती हूँ, फटाक से देखना चाहती हूँ एंड आई होप कि ये आज की वीडियो आपको बहुत अच्छी लगे। सो चलते हैं, स्टार्ट करते हैं ये वीडियो एंड इट्स 1 2 3 एंड स्टार्ट।
Your friends are scrolling through short content, but you, my friend, you're here to learn. Welcome to TRS Clips.
The SF is you make a mistake, somebody's gonna die.
Okay, he's
And
major
like worse,
Vivek
somebody
Jacob.
might get maimed for life. Death के बाद क्या है, रिलीज है. But लाइफ में अगर पैरालाइज हो गए, गोलियां गलत जगह लग गई, बहुत लोग होता है स्पाइनल कॉर्ड में लग जाती हैं, खोपड़ी में लग जाती है, ये हो जाता है. पीपल लूज देयर मेमोरी, दे फॉरगेट हु देयर मदर इज, फादर इज, वाइफ
Exactly.
इज, चिल्ड्रन आर.
You've seen that?
Yeah, very much.
Because of getting shot in the head?
Yeah.
You've been around someone who has gotten...
Yeah.
Okay. I was under the... do you want to explain that situation?
Yeah, but, so operations basically there is enemy, there is you, and you are enemy for that person, enemy is enemy for you. Everybody thinks
This is
everybody is
going to be
enemy,
massive
right? So
chilling,
everybody is
spine
like
chilling.
looking at each other, and then ops go on, and you go and have established contact with the enemy, and sometimes you make mistakes, right? So somebody made some mistake or whatever, you can call it mistake, you can call it experience, whatever, but something happened where basically there was contact, and this guy was a very young soldier, one of the most fantastic soldiers I've met in my life. What a soul, what a lovely soul. I mean, if you meet him out on the street, you will feel yaar, अरे कितना सूफी बंदा है, कितना प्यारा बंदा है.
Sufi banda.
But he's like deadly in combat, built for that. मतलब उसका attitude, soul, वो सब aligned. He's so pure, so open, so this thing that I mean, he could be a saint and he's a soldier. वाला कहानी है. तो बेसिकली आमना सामना हो गया. कई बार ऐसे ऑपरेशंस में आमना सामना हो जाता है. तो आमना सामना हो गया, यू नो, यू लाइक इन फ्रंट ऑफ, जस्ट एवरीथिंग हैपन्स वेरी सडनली फ्रॉम जीरो silence where you can just hear some birds and you can just hear the wind in the trees and in the breeze in the leaves, you know, all of that. You're from there and sudden chaos, sudden thunk, where everything goes to shit. So it happens. So it happened to this young man, and basically he had a head-on contact, and that guy, you know, fired first because this guy was in a position of disadvantage, and the bullet basically hit his bulletproof, and like ricocheted off the bulletproof, and the bulletproof collapsed and cracked his skull, and basically his eye popped out.
God.
A helmet.
Yeah.
So there... okay, is it like...
It's like a heavy metal ring which you wear over your head. So it hit it and ricocheted or glanced off it, but the impact of the bullet hitting the metal was so much that the metal collapsed itself. So the metal, that heavy metal plate collapsed and cracked his skull with such impact that his eye popped out and was basically hanging here. And this guy after that killed that guy. Like,
Really?
yeah.
With the eye popping out?
So
Yeah. So instant you reflex, it's all reflex. So wo ho gaya, and then obviously, you know, he was saved. They were able to extract him out, and then he went to hospital, military hospital, got treated, for many months. A very handsome boy. So maybe a handsome young man. So not a boy. So this guy was. For many months he was just going to get married, and he was already engaged, and his mom was there, and in hospital he didn't remember anyone. He just forgot everyone. All his memories got washed out basically of his family and things like that, and he didn't know who he is, where he is, who is everyone, what is he doing here. तो वैसा हो गया था. And many months later basically धीरे उसकी memories started bubbling back in, you know. So for many months he was lost. He was just lost, and I met him actually after that. So from being a very, you know, slim, you know, all muscle, good soul, happy, you know, हम free time में cricket खेलते थे साथ में and things like that. तो I came to meet him. I came back to my unit to meet him, and I sat with him, and just to spend some time with him and see how he's doing. It's like you love your people, I came back to meet him and see how he's doing and all that, and I I just asked him, I wanted to know how much money he has in his wallet. So I asked him for his wallet कि अपना है ना कि पैसा वैसा है तो ठीक है ये वैसे करके मैंने उसे उसका मैं दिखा अपना वॉलेट दिखा तेरे पास पैसे कितने हैं तो मैंने उसका वॉलेट खोला तो पैसे तो खैर क्या देखा है नहीं देखा I saw photographs. I saw 6-7 photographs of himself which he had kept inside. So all of those photographs were of the time from before he got shot. So he used to sit and look at his own photographs that earlier I used to look like this and now I look like this. His entire face was disfigured. He lost his eye and this, that, and the engagement broke up. So many things happened. And, so ये होता है, these are the prices one pays. तो ये है.
These are the prices.
How is he looking at life now?
Well, बंदा जिंदा दिल है ना, जिंदा दिल है इसलिए वैसा था. And क्या बोलते हैं, he is a person who is full of life and in flow and very simple, heartful, and very open. And from that openness came his courage and things like that. But somehow, it's like your neural network. Some networks got
Exactly.
disfigured, or broken, and some other formed and things like that. So the perception of his life had shifted about who he is and, how he looks now and how people look at him and what is his use from being a super soldier to being somebody who's, given a cushy, like a simple position, like he's running. There's something called a CSD
Canteen.
in the, it's like a canteen where there are various products that, people can buy. It's run by the unit itself. So, that person was given a place there, and from being a super soldier to actually sitting and, just helping people sell t-shirts,
Groceries and stuff.
selling stuff in the canteen and maintaining records of what's being sold and handling the money and, things like that. So he was quite heartbroken, and he was, his perception of life was not as vibrant and as open and as happy and as in the flow as it was when I met him after this. And then many years later I met him again, but the heart is what it is, and it adjusts and adapts over a period of time, and then again starts showing itself. Over a period of time you're able to recover back to who you actually are. So he's happy now. He's accepted a lot of things about Yevo and all that, and in fact he was such a pristine, pure person, no smoking, no alcohol, no nothing. Well, just a good man, good human being, just chill, always happy and always in the always in the lead of combat, always in the lead everywhere. कुछ करा लो उससे, क्रिकेट खिला लो वैसे ही खेलेगा, ऑपरेशन करा लो वैसे ही करेगा. Anything, whatever he would do with with lot of happiness and presence, with a very light heart. But after this, I saw his heart has grown heavy, and he would judge himself, and since he's a person who would not blame the world, he would look at himself, and all his angst and all his sense of what's gone wrong would be directed within. So that was his immediate state after a couple of months when he got his memory back to a certain extent. Something had changed. But then many years later when I met him again, so he was, he had come back to a lot of where he was, how he used to be. So ये है, ऐसे से होता है.
God. सो गाइज ये आई गेस 7 या 8 मिनट का वीडियो था, एंड पता नहीं लगा कि मतलब कब निकल गया. एंड ये स्पाइन चिलिंग एक्सपीरियंस वाज सो मतलब भयंकर था यार. एंड अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो हम सेम ऐसा रियल इंटरव्यूज़ जो हमारे एक्स आर्मीज़ से हम सुनते आ रहे हैं, ऐसा हम एक सीरीज़ चला सकते हैं. स्पेशली बहुत मज़ा आएगा. तो आप लोग कमेंट करके बताना कि इस टाइप का अगर हम सीरीज़ स्टार्ट करें तो आपको अच्छा लगेगा या नहीं। यार मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगा, मैंने काफ़ी इन्जॉय किया एंड रियल आर्मी स्टोरीज सुनना एक अलग ही चीज़ होती है। एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियोज़। जय हिंद।